picture.
Class of 2016.
Malcolm Boyd, softball program in 1887. Manti Te'o is arguably the greatest player ever for the Irish on the defensive side of the football.
It was really good. Yeah. So why do you keep saying that word?
Because I want to be a photographer. I need to know about it.
It's really good.
Yeah, and you don't need a She said like Julian's mom. Remember.
All right, family in the front, can you guys hear me?
Yeah.
Perfect. So before we get started, Polynesia, but more particularly the canoe voyaging. So to start off, does anyone know what the word Polynesia means? Anyone? No? Okay, we'll go back to the map. On the bottom left and right are two other islands, which I'll point out later. But in the center, that's because coconuts that have water in it, they have, which is 1,600 miles away from the island of Hawaii. Now the island right here on the left is the island of Rapa Nui, also known as Easter Islands. So they actually have the hardest reading word. So everyone, family, as we go through here, I want to talk a little bit about the island right down the left, which is the island of Fiji. The island of Fiji, you can come over here and get some traditional tattoos. Hula. Hula. So, tattoos started here, and you can get some tattoos. Does anyone want to get tattoos today?
Yeah.
There we go. Unfortunately, they will come off as soon as they get wet, but I'll let you know in a little secret, family. Just don't shower. I've had mine on for 2 weeks. Sorry for the people in the back 2 rows. Okay, as we go through here, we are going to play a fun game. This game we're going to play is called Name That Plant. So I'm going to name a plant right there. TV is actually fireproof. Does anyone go see the night show tonight? Hot Breath of Life?
She wanted a tattoo on her neck.
Ready?
Oh my
Wow.
That's sick! It does. Go that way.
Everybody say faster!
The hose, they retain the heat up to 10 hours. So this one we usually find it in the river and contain moisture. If we heat up this one, it will explode in the oven. Now we just need to heat up the rocks for about.
But specifically for short distance inter-island travel. It took 3 years.
Giant statues. What are the most?
I'm gonna look at this one.
Get out the road.
Everybody say Oso! Good. Good call, country. Are you ready? Yeah. Are you ready? Yeah. Are you crazy? What a chicken. Sorry guys, not today. He's the only one left. Last week was Whitney. We lost all 6 of them. Please give him a big hand.
You good?
Let it shine, let it shine, let it shine. Thank you for joining us here at the Gateway Buffet. Makes me happy, makes me happy, makes me feel fine, makes me feel happy. Go on,